18, 17,700 and some. I think 18.
Can you imagine?
18,753. Yeah.
Can you imagine? I'll go Chuga now. Another kind of followers. Easy.
Okay, Chamacha, don't shove your policy.
How buy a policy where G my Moku? The Moroku won't have a policy when Halaga. Because of fear of unknown there. I'm not also a channel one way with me, but Kai. How could I happen to walk or say or anything else? Channel yam. So, is it not better or name in hand? You just have your channel and be managing it by yourself.
Okay, yeah, I mentioned your younger, in fact, younger by Facebook with you, we level, younger, we were clear. Policy very ma be tin me notification o mom set up in-stream ad. So clicking question ya ma you va mo mom select country. Ma Nigeria is
what? As I use here.
So young mention question but on one ya ma when la ma padi. Mom making admin page you are
How do you make an admin the forward? Welcome access to page that go. And once we are educated to find. I don't look at this kind of Range Rover. Hold on. And one. On the chuno what time. Nigga. Why? Kanya. Why? Huh? La. Now this kind of cars now, this is the kind of cars I love. My viewers, we want to see. Look at that Range Rover. You see that Range Rover? Imagine. Just imagine me in this car. It shall come to pass. So we are at work now, so today's most like a resting time. So even if I'm not talking, bear with me. Alright? What are you doing now, wherever you are? What are you doing? Are you eating, dancing, or sleeping? Or you're at your office? Where are you? What are you doing? Where are you and what are you doing at this time? As for me, I'm kind of feeling sleepy, yeah? Should I sleep for a few minutes before I should stop sleeping? Should I sleep or should I not? Well, first I will think about it before, if I don't want to sleep or...
All this CapCut match basic Premiere Pro tutorial posting share YouTube with personal name one. So that I'm going to quality the organic concentration comedy on
Yeah. Right. So guys, I'm here. I'm here. I was supposed to go live with somebody later in the day. Let me see if I can call her with this line. What's his name? Rose. Hello, Rose. I'm fine, thank you. Do you know who's on the line? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Do you know who's on the line? You know, okay, you saw my picture. Okay, that's fine. All right. So, is that so? That's good. So, how is it going? All right. Okay, this is my second line. I have two numbers, so this is my second line. No, I'm back. I'm back. I'm not in Abuja now. I left Abuja yesterday. I'm in Benue State. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody's great. Yeah, they were here. What about you? How is your family? Okay. Are you in the office now or you are home? Oh, you're in school? Hostel. Okay. What is happening there? Okay, today. Okay, here too is Workers' Day. Yeah. All right. So, are we going to? Or can we do the live streaming today? Can we say 7? 7